Welcome to Microsoft Fabric. I'm starting in the Fabric Workload Hub, where you'll find both first-party Fabric workloads, like data engineering, data warehousing, real-time intelligence, and a growing ecosystem of ISV solutions that extend Fabric's built-in capabilities to offer complementary functionality, accelerating a customer's data and AI transformation journey. Statsig is available to help product teams build better features with data-driven insights through experimentation and analytics. The Fabric-native integration built on a lake-centric architecture stores and queries data in open formats like Delta and Iceberg inside Fabric DW using its scalable and performant SQL query engine. Security, governance, and performance also remain consistent with no data movement. With Statsig connected to my warehouse that has the relevant product data I want to analyze, I am ready to define the metrics most important for my experiment to track and gain insights from. I start with the outcomes that matter most: revenue and user engagement. Statsig provides out-of-box metrics, but I can also create custom ones from my warehouse tables. Here I define total revenue and checkout click-through rate from my existing data tables as Shopee revenue and event source table. Next, I connect to the assignment sources that contains a list of exposure data for different experiment groups like control and variance from past runs. Without moving or re-ingesting data, I have linked Shopee demo exposures so I can analyze experiments against the selected metrics using Statsig. From the table of scanned experiments, I select the one I would like to analyze. I give it a hypothesis. Introducing a tiered pricing model can boost conversions and revenue. With my metric source and assignments already identified, there is one last step I need to complete, which is selecting the metric type to qualify it, whether it for funnel or retention analysis, percentile, min, max, count, etc. Statsig supports rigorous statistical testing methods. In the Advanced Settings Configuration section, I provide specific details on the method of analysis and the desired confidence interval for the experiment. I have set frequentist at 95% confidence as my analysis type and can apply sequential testing to reduce false positives or add cure covariates for variance control to improve accuracy of my experiment outcomes. I scheduled the experiment duration to capture the results based on my preferred dates to run and test my hypothesis. Statsig automatically updates experiment results as new data lands in the warehouse, incrementally keeping the scorecard updated and current without the need for any manual refreshes. Based on the analysis, Variant 1 using GPT-4 has clearly outperformed control of GPT-3.5. I can further drill down and create custom queries to analyze and validate the performance of the variance in the experiment group using Statsig's Metrics Explorer and my Fabric DW. With this data-driven insight from experimentation and analytics, I proved my hypothesis that Variant 1 is statistically significant. I can now roll out the winning variant as a feature in my product. Every Fabric user can now use Statsig to build smarter with data and improve their products faster. Get started today on Fabric's Workload Hub.